Aw. I think you should let me pet you. I do. I think you should let me pet you. You did last night. You didn't mind it last night. Alright. Hi, Bob. Yeah. 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 I'm training them all to roll over. Yeah, they all want to get dirty before they let me pet them. You train us humans so well. Yes, you do. Beavis. And Bob. A mid-morning nap. Two hours later, look who woke up from his nap. Yeah. And it's like right at noon, so I think the ladies are hungry, but I'm not going to feed them until this afternoon. Because you're just so good at finding bugs. Go get the bugs. Yes, Beavis. Yes. I didn't do much filming today. It's Friday. One thing I did do is dug out that rock. So that was something. Oh, well, yeah, I might have gotten a few more too. Fifi helped. Yeah, you were down there scratching for me, weren't you? That big one right in front of her. I can't get up. I might have some help tomorrow. Maybe that'll do it. That thing is stuck in there. But I'd say I got I don't know, about 20 good sized rocks out of here. And yeah, Fifi's gonna try to fill the holes for me. But yeah, that was something I did today. And there you've got the row of daffodils to your left, and that's where I was digging up rocks today. Just to give you a little perspective. Look at those bushes. That white, oh man, I already forgot the name of it. Anyway, that white bush is looking spectacular. The yellow bush will look better once I get those 4 little trees out from in front of it too. Good evening from Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. It is Friday. It's probably almost 7 o'clock. The sun is going down. And I'm tuckered out for the day. I've been catching up on sleep. Slept in. Took a long nap. Didn't do much filming today, so this is probably a short video. I have no idea what's on that camera after my nap. I'll wake up here in a few minutes. Eastern Bluebird. A male Eastern Bluebird. That was awesome. I don't think I've ever seen one of those in the wild. First I thought it was a blue jay. Then it turned around and I saw the front of it. I'm like, wow, that's like a half blue jay, half robin. Because they've got, you know, like the colorful breast. But anyway, yeah, Eastern Bluebird. And, oh yeah, a Brown Thrasher. Those are cool birds. I didn't know anything about them. Apparently they don't do a lot of flying. They stay along the ground, and they got the name Thrasher because they're like chickens, and that's what I caught them doing. If I don't think that was very clear, but I don't know if that. Anyway, Brown Thrasher, very cool bird. I would say a little bit larger than a robin, so it's a pretty big bird, and just really cool eye color and beak, and well, you'll probably saw the coverage. Tomorrow is Saturday, and if all goes as planned, I'm going to have my first visitor to Bobblehead Homestead that isn't related to me, so or isn't a neighbor. So that'll be cool. I'm looking forward to that. I'm sure I'll probably stick a camera in his face at some point. Okay, everybody have a good weekend. This probably won't come out till Saturday morning, so hope you're having a good weekend. And anyway, everything's pleasant here at Bobblehead Homestead. It was a kind of a lazy Friday, although I did get a lot done. I dug up rocks. I mean, come on, that's not nothing. So later, folks. Hey Bob, roll over. Roll over, Bob. Roll over again, Bob. 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 Yeah.